Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the first project. Hello everyone, my name is Safina Dianti. I'm from Accounting Class 1A at the Bina Sarana Informatika University Campus Margonda. In my opinion, the impact of smoking is not only detrimental to active smokers, but also passive smokers and even to the environment. The dangers of smoking for active smokers are no strangers to use, with the effect of smoking displayed on the packing label. All smokers must have read it, but are simply ignored. There are so many losses caused by cigarettes. Not only humans, but other living things also become victims. With so many detrimental impacts, it does not immediately make people stop smoking, because a person's behavior is very difficult to change if they are not moved by themselves. But at least the number of passive smokers must be reduced, with the presence of smoking area facilities. The number of passive smokers should be reduced for humans who have reason, and especially a student. For humans who have reason, and especially as students, we should know what action damages the environment. Throwing cigarette butt in the right place is an example. Damage to land and plants can be minimized if we want to change. Cigarettes with pros and cons that are still being debated. It is indeed difficult to eliminate ingrained habits, but efforts to reduce them must continue so that their ongoing impact can be stopped. This is the second project. Present continuous tense. Hello everyone, my name is Safina Dianti. I'm from Accounting Class 1A at the Bina Sarana Informatika University Campus Margonda. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is a continuous or progressive tense form that is used to describe the current period or time span. Simple part. The present continuous tense is used to express action or events that are ongoing at the time of speaking, or to express what we are currently doing. To mark the use of the present continuous tense, certain time signals are often used that indicate when the action is taking place. Time signal used to mark the present continuous tense include now, right now, at the moment, currently, at present. In addition, when there are imperative verb exclamations such as look, listen, watch, or notice, then the tense used is the present continuous tense. What is the functions of the present continuous tense? The use of present continuous tense has several functions. Here are the functions of present continuous tense. 1. Expressing an ongoing action. The present continuous is used to express an action that is currently taking place when the sense is uttered. For example, my brother is studying for exam. 2. Expressing future plans. The present continuous can be used to express plan or activity that will be carried out in the future. For example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. 3. Expressing a change that has occurred. That present continuous can be used to express an action or change that has occurred. For example, she is getting bored with this conversation. Characteristic of present continuous tense. How do we know a sentence is a present continuous tense? Try to pay attention to the following characteristic. 1. Talking about things that are currently happening or will definitely happen. 2. There is a time statement that shows the current time. 3. Using verb that end in ing. 4. Always using to be in various conditions. Rules and point to remember when using the present continuous tense. When using the present continuous tense, make sure you following the sentence structure exactly. 1. Always start with the subject when it is a positive or negative sentence and with the helping verb when it is in the interrogative format. 2. A sentence with the present continuous tense consists of a helping verb to be form of verb and a main verb. The helping verb can be am for the pronoun, I is for singular subject and are for a plural subject. 3. Just note that like the other pronouns, the pronouns cannot be used in the negative form in an interrogative sentence. Instead of aren't is used. For example, I reading a newspaper. Wrong. Aren't reading a newspaper. Correct. The present continuous tense can never be used with stative verb. Use of present continuous tense. In its use, the present continuous tense is often used to express situations or activities that are currently taking place, and can also be used to express plans or activities that have been scheduled in the future. Example of using this tense for situations or activities that are taking place at the present time. I'm studying for my exam. Example for using this tense for plans or activities that have been scheduled in the future. I am meeting my friend later today. In addition, the present continuous tense can also be used to express changes that are happening to someone or something, or to emphasize activities or actions that are currently taking place. Example of usage to express change that are occurring. She is becoming more confident in speaking English. Example of use to provide emphasis. He is really enjoying his vacation in Bali. Present continuous tense verb. It should be noted that not all verb groups can be made into present continuous tense sentence. Some groups cannot be used because logically it is difficult to make them as happening. 1. Verb relate to emotion and feelings such as appreciate, hate, like, love, prefer, want, and so on. 2. Verb relate to the use of the sense such as hear, see, smell, and taste. 3. Verb relate to the expression of knowledge, opinion, and belief, such as believe, understand, know, think, recognize, and so on. 4. Verbs relate to ownership, such as belong, have, own, and possess. 5. Verbs that are static, such as be, exercise, need, and seem. Adverb of time used in the present continuous tense. In S tense, there is a time adverb that is used to indicate when the event or incident being discussed occurred, while the time adverb in the present continuous tense. Now, today, at the moment, at present. Structure of present continuous tense. There is definitely just one formula to mastering the present continuous tense, and this is how it goes. Subject plus I'm, is, are, plus present participle, verb plus ing, plus the rest of the sentence. However, There is something more you should pay attention to. You should also learn how the sentence with the present continuous tense form of the first verb are structured when they are positive, negative, interrogative. Present continuous tense formula. Here is the present continuous tense formula for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Sentence form. Present continuous tense formula. Example of sentence. Positive, subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus verb ing. They are studying chemistry right now. Negative. Subject I, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus to be, I'm, is, are, plus not, plus verb ing. They are not studying chemistry right now. Interrogative. To be, I'm, is, are, plus subject plus verb ing. Are they studying chemistry right now? Example of present continuous tense. Here is an example of using present continuous tense in a positive sentence. 1. I'm reading a newspaper. 2. We are talking about a movie on Netflix. 3. They are playing football at the park. 4. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. 5. She is visiting her grandparents in Australia. 6. Look, it's snowing. Here is an example of the use of present continuous tense in negative sentence. 1. We are not eating sweets. 2. He is not working today. 3. She is not wearing a hat. 4. The cat is not sleeping on the sofa. 5. She is not visiting her grandparents in Australia. Here is an example of the use of present continuous tense in the form of an interrogative sentence. 1. Are you listening to the radio? 2. Is the playing the piano? 3. Are they studying for the test? 4. Is the cat sleeping on the sofa? 5. Is he visiting her grandparents in Australia? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.